sunrise, kinda. I don't know. I see the clouds on the mountain. I don't know. I know I need coffee though.
I know how to do that.
You know how to make coffee?
I do.
Oh, God bless you.
That's just double.
No, absolutely. Okay. Well, it's already heating it up. We're gonna head out and try to find some falls. It's gonna be close to 100, so I don't know how many I will make. But I did want to come down and see the waterfall right there. Man, that's beautiful. Alright, on the road. We're just waiting on some construction. All of a sudden we got 3 cop cars pull up at this address. Makes me curious. They taking a walk into the woods, aren't they? What's back there? There they go. They walking to see somebody. It looks like we're going to get to drive through the clouds. Look at it. It's an old-fashioned dilly shack called Dolly's. Pretty cool. I don't know what 276. Here we are, Pisgah National Forest. Heck yeah. You know you're getting closer when you see it turn to gravel. Oh, Lord. Okay. Well, the first trail, this old logging road. We're gonna walk up it. What, half a mile? See what we can see. Well, of course, I know how to pick them, don't I? Son of a bitch. This is a nice little trail all the way down. I'm liking it. For those of y'all that don't remember, Western North Carolina was absolutely ravaged by Hurricane Helene a couple of years ago. And from Asheville west, which is where we are, there was $6 billion, with a B, dollars worth of damage. Some communities were actually cut off from other communities for a few weeks. It's been a mess. But it looks like they're open for business again. You might see a little brush pile here and there. They're still just trying to clean it all up. But it's beautiful here. I hear water. Let's see what I can see. Yep, we got water. And then we gotta do the other side, because that's what we do. Boy, that wood's slippery. Pretty. Okay, we gotta be getting closer because I hear it. And I'm wondering if you look at it from the bridge. They used to be able to drive down this road. That's why you see these weight limit signs. Did they quit doing that? I do hear something. Let's go look and see. There it is. Careful, that wood is so slippery. So this is Log Hollow Falls. And look at the pool, because I like that too. Ooh, there's one of those big spiders. You got a lot of those spiders here, that big old spider web. Ooh. And a bunch of logs. Probably where it got its name from. Heck yeah. And this is where it flows down on the other side of that bridge. Just into the thicket. Tripp found us a way to get closer. I got to. Oh, you did good, sweetie. I do like it. We're the only people back here. A lot of people go to the larger waterfalls. But the little ones need love too. Let's see where this goes. It's a side trail, but it's well used. We had a good bit of rain last night, so everything's a little mushy. That's okay. Where are you taking me, Mr. Magical Trail? Huh. Yeah, that little side trail. I stopped, I got tired, and the bugs were getting me. But Tripp got going. He went up and said it was such a little waterfall, it wasn't even taking a picture through the tree. So all that effort for nothing, but you don't know till you try. But I tell you one thing, it's an absolute beautiful day here in North Carolina. Little bitty one-lane bridge. I just have to look through the bushes because you know it's what I do. We're on our way. This is sliding rock. And there's sliding rock coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. And this is what I did as a kid. One of the reasons I came to Brevard, I was looking for this rock. I'm going to show you something about this rock. If you look right here, you're going to see a hole. You see that hole right there? When you come out of the other side, it will hit your tailbone and make you sit straight friggin' up. Then you slide into the pool that's about 8 foot deep, and you stay down under the water a minute till it quits hurting. Then you pop back up and let everybody know you're okay. Also, they didn't have that rail when I came down here. I was probably 8 or 9 years old, spent the summer with my cousins. And half of the fun was trying to get up that rock without holding on. You'd have a group of people. One near the top would slip. They'd take us all out down the road like bowling pins. Let's watch them slide. See, Bruce? This is sliding rock, sweetie. Okay, Schlager. I found our spot. There it is. I'm sorry I'm fixated on this. But that ruined a really good day for me one day. Yeah, hold on to the rail. Really cool. Here we go. Then, woo! Poosh. Oh my gosh, we had so much fun. Beautiful through here. All the families just taking it in and enjoying this nice little cool spot. And of course the black bear all over the place. This is just a cool little place tucked away. You can store your stuff. And then just walk down to the falls. Oh, this is so slippery. Whew. I like the view over there better. And this is further downriver from the slide. So many swirls and dipsy-doos and so many cool things to see. Red rock. Oh gosh. I tell you what, western North Carolina and North Georgia are the two most beautiful parts of the country I've been to. Gorgeous. These kids are having a blast. Careful, slippery. It's so strange. I can go to Montana to go look for a rock from my childhood. I can go to North Carolina to go look for a rock from my childhood. Ooh, the little ones fly. Okay, one more. Come on, big one, make it good. Oh, see how bumpy? This is on a little bridge. Oh, here we go. That's clear water. It is gorgeous. One more little. I'm just addicted. Boom. Okay, one last look. You know I gotta do it, sweetie. Don't even look at me like that. I can't help it. And it took me 40 years to get back here. Or more. That was fun. A lot of great memories. Keep the good ones. Get rid of the bad ones. And now we're back almost at the parking lot. And see, it's just a nice little sweet little river. Too cool. Okay, so this is the little bridge to go to Moore's Cove Falls, but you know I gotta look both sides. Huh. Right at the road, and then this side. On the way up here, you follow this little river all the way up. I think it's the Daniel River. And you can see where sides of the mountain have come down, and there's all kinds of dead logs and everything. They've got them piled, but like I said, they're still clearing. We're getting higher. They made a little streamway in the path. That's funny. A lot of big rocks. Heck yeah. I don't know what that is. Runoff? Woo! Thing is big. There's another one down here. I know, I like rocks. Get over it. That looks like a face. Wait a minute. I don't like that at all. I mean, kind of like a turtle head. You see it or no?
Yes.
Okay. Is it wrong that I'd rather not have these? I'd just rather walk up it. Yeah, we're still walking. I think somebody lied to me. That is a pretty walk. Well, you know what I say to Moore's Cave? Past some hikers. They lied about it being easy, and they lied about the distance. And my right knee's already swollen and starting to click. So I'm turning my happy ass around and headed to the barn. I'm not up for no 2-mile hike straight uphill. Sorry, folks. I'm just getting old. Pretty little area. We're still just trying to get back to where we started. Oh, Lord. This is a nice little spot to walk down to, but unfortunately, my knee has decided I'm not doing any more stairs today. Maybe I can talk Tripp into walking down there and getting some pictures for me. That is beautiful. And we're back on the road. This is a pretty little overlook. Man, I wish I could just walk right down there. Look how clear that water is. You can see what I'm talking about with all the trees and everything. There's a lot of trees that are down. I've only seen a couple of really big brush piles though, so that wasn't too bad. He's right there at that car. I might with chance. Pretty clear Georgia water. Not Georgia. Okay, I'm tired. It's North Carolina. Another beautiful day in North Carolina. This is inside of the ranger station. Look how cute. And that's the gift shop. I'm going there next. But they got all kinds of cool stuff in here. We came, we saw, we conquered. They had a couple of really cool shirts and magnets. Look at this place. This is really awesome. Oh, there's over 400 trails of one-lane mountain biking here. That's a big to-do. Oh, he's going to yell for me. Waterfall safety. Of course, you got to hunt. I mean, well, I'm not going to say nothing dangerous. Be careful. And I'm going to get a picture of Smokey. And then we'll travel on. Hey, bear. I said, that little guy. I want to get their faces. Because, you know, it's what I do. Oh, that's cute. Look at those claws. A lot of bears around here, supposedly, and a lot of deer. We'll see what we can see. That's really cool too. All right, we gone. they're jamming out here with the Walk of Life. Let the good times roll. Cool. We got us some barbecue and fixins. We're gonna go back to the house and eat it all up. And then I'm gonna take a long hot shower and I might have a nap. That wore me out. Big, beautiful cornfield. Looks like I got a second knee. All the way around. That might have to be drained. I have to do that every few years. Damn it. But we're just gonna chill. Got our bellies full. We're gonna hang out here for a little while. Well, we got our belly full at Hog Wild Barbecue. Plenty left over. People around here give you so much. The portion sizes are crazy. And y'all be glad to know that my knee's just a little swollen, and if I need to go get it drained, I can. So that's good. We got a nice little breeze coming in. Heck yeah. I like it when the clouds come over because it's been so hot. It was miserable. And I couldn't make it to that Moore Cove Falls, which was really upsetting because you can actually walk behind that waterfall. It's like the other one I went to in Alabama. But it was just way too steep for my own knee. And I'm so proud of myself. I made it all the way back down. And I didn't cry. And Tripp said when I saw the car, my voice cracked. And I said, "Is that our car?" And he thought for sure the waterworks were going to start. But I kept it together. I'm proud of myself. I don't cry often, but when I do, oh Lord, I'm a blubbering mess. But it turned out to be an absolutely gorgeous day in North Carolina, even with the heat. Now I'm gonna go lay up for a little while and let my knee rest so we can play tomorrow too. Hey, I wonder if we can find a sunset tonight. We'll see. Let's see if we can see any kind of colors. Oh, heck yeah, a little bit. What's over here? We might get to see a little bit of something and not have to go anywhere. That's not bad so far. I mean, it is really pretty through here. I can hear the water, but I'm not sure if you can. Let's see what we can see up in the sky. Oh, oh God. Heck yeah. Those are bright colors. That's not bad. Look, almost fluorescent. And then it's more poofy. And then doing a back bend. Oh dear Lord, am I that flexible? Yeah, can I get it? Got it. About the same. Still a beautiful way to end the evening. Another beautiful night in North Carolina.